Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be walking you through an AI terminology glossary for new users. Now, if you are just starting to learn about artificial intelligence, you will hear many technical words that can feel confusing at first. So let's break down some of the most common AI terms in simple language. So first is artificial intelligence, which is called AI. Now, AI refers to the computer systems which are designed to perform the tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as understanding the language, recognizing the images, and solving the problems. The next is machine learning. So, machine learning is a type of AI where computers learn the patterns from the data instead of being explicitly programmed for every task. Another common term is neural network. A neural network is a system of the concepts layers that process the information and learn the patterns inspired by how the human brain actually works. Then we have large language models, which are also called LLMs. So these are the AI models trained on the massive amount of text so that they can understand and generate human-like language. Another important term is tokens. So tokens are small pieces of text that AI models process when reading or generating the language. You might also have heard about training data. So this is the information used to teach an AI how to recognize the patterns and perform certain tasks. Another useful term is called fine tuning. So fine tuning means adjusting a trained AI model with additional data so that it performs better for specific tasks. Finally, there is interference. So interference is the stage when the trained AI model actually generates the answers or predictions based on the user's input. So these are some of the most important AI terms every beginner should know. Understanding these concepts makes it much easier for you to explore and use AI tools confidently. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.